Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am back again. I wanted to come on here to give you guys a look at a few wigs that I have in stock at QB Wig Collections, okay? So I am going to be trying on these wigs for you. Of course, my wig is not glued down, so I am going to take this thing off real quick, get a wig cap, so you can see what wigs look like from QB Wig Collections actually on a person, and you can see the length of the wig, how the wigs are styled, and what are included in all my wigs. Okay, so the first wig that I have here is the Kelis wig on my website. She's already on there, you guys. I have a ventilated cap lace closure wig, okay? I am going to just try her on for you. Quick, easy, and glueless, okay? So this is a 5x5 lace closure on her. Custom colored, very pretty, very natural. I am so in love with this one. You see how quick it was for me to just throw on that wig? Lace closure wigs are glueless, so you can just throw them on and off if you want to. If you do want to glue them down, you definitely can, you guys, okay? So this is Vietnamese hair that I custom colored, and it is a 22 inch, okay? So it lands just about right here, 22 inches. I'm so in love with her. She's really, really pretty. She's on my website, you guys. If she's sold out already, of course, you guys can just go ahead, go to my custom wigs page, or you can email me, DM me, whatever you need to do, and be like, hey, that Kelis wig I saw in your video, I need it right now, okay? Custom order the size that you need. This specific one is a small, I believe. Is this a small? No, this is a medium. This is a medium cap for the ones who need to know if it's still on the website. This is a medium cap wig, but you can definitely order her in an extra small, a small, or a large if this one doesn't fit your head. But this is what she looks like. Very, very cute. Ooh, I might have to do this color. I might have to do it. Very cute. All right, so let me go on to the next one so you guys can see a different look. All right, so this is a Burmese curly wig available on my website. Her name is Lola online, okay, you guys. She has a 7x7 inch lace closure on her. This is a medium cap as well. Put her on, glueless, same way. Quick, easy, and she's done. Look at her, look at her. Oh my god, this might have to be my favorite wig that I have up on my wall so far. I probably would put, I don't know if I would color her. I'm really feeling the black. It gives me just a sleek, it gives me just this sleek look that I love, and even though it's curly, it just gives me that classic black feel, okay? So this one is Lola on my website. She has a 7x7 inch closure. She is a medium cap, and she is 24 inches of Burmese curly. Everybody always asks, like, where does the Burmese curly, you know, where does the curls land? I've already washed her, let her air dry, and she actually lands right about here, okay? So this is where 24 inches of Burmese curly lands on me. And I absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. So if you need this one that's on my website, you definitely can get her, you guys. She's a medium cap. If you need to customize her, if you need to custom order her in your size, definitely contact me so we can get these orders going for you guys, okay? So, hey, she's cute and I'm loving her. Okay, so now I have the Mariah wig on my website. She is beautiful. All these wigs are made by me. I custom color them as well. She has a 5x5 lace closure as well. Hers is actually HD lace on this lace closure. So the lace is very, very thin, you guys, on this wig. Look at her. She's super pretty. Let me throw her on. She is actually a small cap. All right. She is sassy and sweet, okay? 20 inches, custom colored, blonde. And the roots are like a very brown color, okay, you guys? The roots are very brown. They're not black at all, okay? So this is what she looks like. Ooh. And she is available online. Her name is Mariah. Again, this is a small, but if you need it in another size, we can definitely help you out with that, okay? So that is this one, 20 inches long, custom colored, and she ready to go. Lace closure, glueless, take her on and off if you want to. Easily cut the lace, and she's ready to go. She is ready to go. All wigs come with bleach knots and tweezed hairlines. I want these wigs to be as ready to go as possible for you guys. And if you want the same kind of look, but you kind of want to adjust the colors a little bit, that's absolutely fine as well. Contact me and we can get that custom order going. So this is Mariah. Let me go on and grab the next one. Okay, so the next wig that I have for you guys is the Jackie wig on my website. This one has transparent lace. She is custom colored as well. She is very, very beautiful. 28 inches, okay? So she is really long. For those who don't wear long hair, she's really long. But let's see, she is a medium cap lace closure, 4 bundles of 28 inches and a lace closure. All right, put her on. Just that easy, y'all. Just that easy. All right, so the specs on this wig, this is actually Indian curly hair. Look, you can't even see her all in the video. This is actually Indian curly hair, okay, you guys? So she does have like a really deep wave when she's wet. So I went ahead and I wanted to do a very nice brown to blonde ombre on her because springtime is coming. You want to lighten up your life. Okay, so she's really cute. When you wet her, she has amazing, really deep waves, okay? Very, very cute. She's a little bit coarse because, like I said, it is Indian curly hair, but she is so natural, so long, and so beautiful. Ooh, she's very cute. Very, very cute. I can't wait somebody get her. Oh my God. She's on the website, you guys. All the details that I'm letting you guys know, they're all on the website. All you have to do is scroll down, go to the description of each item, and it'll tell you all the specs on each one. Cap size, custom color, the type of hair. This is raw Indian. She cute. All right, let me do one more for you guys, okay? I'm gonna do one more. Trying to think of which one I'm gonna do. I don't know. I'm gonna do one more. Let me hurry up and do it. Okay, so this is Lynn. She's very, very pretty. She came in a natural brown color, and all I did was kind of lighten up her ends a little bit. So pretty. This is raw Indian hair. Now, if you want raw Indian hair and you want your bundles to come in a lighter brown color, we can definitely custom order that kind of order for you guys, okay? So she is a lace closure as well. This is actually a 4x4 lace closure, and this is actually a large cap on her, so it's definitely gonna be big on my head. But for anybody looking for a large cap, Lynn is for you. So let me put her on. There we go. Hey, Lynn. She's cute. She's like a 16-inch, and I wanted it to just be really sexy brown hair, lighten up the springtime. I've been doing a lot more blondes lately, so this is her. This is Lynn. She's very cute, very sweet. Look at her. I love her. Okay. All right, Lynn, I see you. Raw Indian wavy hair. She's cute. So she is available on the website as well For anyone looking for wigs, you guys, if you want something customized for you, email me right away. Get in contact with me. I will email you back within 24 hours to get your order in, okay? I just need your cap size, you know, your name, your shipping address. I need information, how you want it colored, what length do you want, what type of hair do you want. Cap size, I definitely have videos on my YouTube channel of how to measure your head for these custom made wigs. And if you guys need something versatile, easy to maintain, lace closure wigs, glueless are the way to go. Excuse me. So, but if you are a frontal girl, if you like lace frontals, definitely you can custom order that as well. If you want your hairline out, this is a closure. Frontals go from ear to ear. So if you want your hairline to show, then definitely frontals are the way to go for that. So Burmese hair, raw Indian hair, I can help you guys. Vietnamese hair, I can help you guys with all of that. We have all those options for custom orders. All you have to do is go online. I have a custom orders wig page, and you can choose all of your options that you want. If you can't seem to navigate it, email me and I can send you a customized invoice just for you directly to your email. And then once you pay that invoice, all you have to do is wait a few weeks for your custom order to come. Okay, you guys, you can add clips, you can add combs, you can add an elastic band to your wig. I do not charge anything extra for those type of things. If you want your lace to be cut before I ship it, I can definitely do that. If you want baby hair to be added, of course I can do that. Styling obviously comes with the wig as well. I can definitely help you guys with anything that you guys need, wig related, hair related, bundle related, anything like that. So all of these wigs I do have available on my website. If they are out of stock, contact me to get your custom order in. I am wearing my new lashes, you guys. They are available on my website, qbwigcollections.com. I am in love with these lashes. Perfect add-on to anything that you are purchasing just to enhance your beauty, open up your eyes. Eyelashes are the way to go, okay? Easy to use. Add that glue. Get it right above your hair, your eyelash line, and you are ready to go, okay, you guys? Check out those. It has its own page on my website under lashes, so I appreciate your guys' support. I can't wait for you guys to contact me with anything that you guys need, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.